Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make ice passion lollies. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make passion ice lollies: you will need sugar, 1 big carrot, 12 passions as you can see in the video, a half cucumber, 1 ripe mango, and some water. In a medium bowl, cut all the fruits into small pieces. First, you'll remove the passion from its shell, then cut the cucumber into small pieces, 1 large carrot into small pieces, and lastly the ripe mango as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix well. Then put the fruits into a blender to blend them. Then I added a half a cup of water because my blender is too small, but if you have a larger blender, it's better. Then blend everything very nice. And when ready, pour in a bowl. At this point, you can add more sugar and water depending on the thickness and sweetness you want. As for me, in total, I added about 8 to 10 tablespoons of sugar and 500 milliliters of water. Then afterwards, you'll filter your juice once or twice using a sieve like this as you can see in the video. And my juice is ready. Fill the ice bags with the juice using a filter like this so it can go faster. And place the ice lollies in the freezer for about 8 to 10 hours. And after some hours, your ice passion lollies are ready as you can see in the video, and enjoy your passion lollies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of ice lollies, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.